Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a BMW F30, F31, F34. This is BMW 3 Series from year 2012 to year 2019 guys. And you need to remove or replace map sensor. Now, if you have a turbo engine, you actually have two map sensors. One is known as T-map and one is the regular map sensor. The T-map sensor guys is a different location and we're going to explain about that as we go. How to distinguish between two of them, how to know which is the right one to remove and replace as well. Let's say you have an engine light and code relating to map sensor or barometric sensor guys, we'll explain where it's located. Now, before we start, let me tell you, if you need to buy new sensors, replacement parts, tools, anything like that, check out guys the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Now, another thing, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Specifically on this generation BMW guys, we'll have at least 500 videos. That's our goal. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information to you. So let us show you what we have and where it's located. The only thing that's missing right now is the air filter box. Don't worry about it, okay? We removed it because we'll be actually doing a timing chain replacement and we started taking things apart, but the only thing we removed is the air filter box and that way we can actually have more room. First thing, you need to remove your upper engine cover. You have 3 rubber bushings that attach to the upper, to the valve cover. So if you remove it, let's flip it on this side just to show you guys what to look for. Okay, those are the rubber bushings, 1, 2, 3. Make sure they stay here. Sometimes they'll fall off. You may have a foam piece here. Okay, some people remove it, some you have it. And make sure later you align the tabs where you're going to install that upper engine cover. If you come on the side of your engine, okay, right here now, you will notice that you have two sensors that look very identical. One is known as T-map sensor and one is map sensor. Check it out. One here, one over there. How to distinguish? The T-map sensor is before the throttle body usually guys. So this is the T-map sensor, okay, right here. The regular map sensor is after the throttle body and it's located on the intake manifold. So we're talking about this one right here. So that's the sensor that will explain how to remove and replace. So what you need to do, you need to first disconnect the wire, okay? Grab it, pull it out. You can see this like that. Next guys, there are 2 screws that you need to remove with the Torx 20 star looking bit. Okay, let me focus here, perfect. And just you need to remove the 2 screws, careful not to drop them. And gently, okay, unscrew one at a time, get it out. Don't drop them again guys, it's hard to find them if that happens. And now we remove the second one, okay, over there. Perfect. Now we grab the sensor, okay, and it has a rubber seal that gets stuck guys. That rubber seal prevents leaks, so it will be really stuck. So we'll get a plastic prying tool and just gently pull it up. Okay, see if it's going to come out. It's under the engine computer there, so that makes things a little bit more complicated. Let's see if it's going to come out. Okay, it's gonna come out guys. Okay, but the rubber seal is extremely tight, so we'll need to just gently pry it up. It's getting stuck under the engine computer, so you cannot pry so much, okay, with a screwdriver because you're gonna break it, okay, if you pry so much. And you can break your intake manifold, and that's when things get expensive guys. That intake manifold is expensive thing on that BMW. So what I'll do, I'll grab it with 2 hands now, okay, and just pull it out, okay. And this is the map sensor guys out of the car. You can see like that. This is the seal that gave us a little bit of headache, but finally, okay, it just came out. So installation, putting it together practically in reverse order, we took it apart. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. We'll have a video how to test those as well on our channel, and see you guys next time.